Installing a Fort Knox mortise lock set in 8 steps. Before you start, check all parts and tools. Parts: the lock body, spindle, handles, and screws. Tools: a drill, drill bits, chisel, screwdriver, measuring tape, hammer, safety glasses, and a pencil. Step 1. Measure the thickness of the door and mark a vertical center line. Place the lock's faceplate against the door edge. Align the faceplate screw holes with the drawn line. Use a pencil to mark the holes and trace around the faceplate. Step 2. Hold the lock body against the door edge, aligned with the faceplate outline. Mark the top and bottom of the lock body. Step 3. Use a 16mm spade bit to drill a series of overlapping holes, about 80mm deep, between your top and bottom marks to create the pocket for the lock body. Step 4. Square the edges with a chisel until the lock body slides in smoothly. Then chisel a shallow recess, about 2mm deep, so the faceplate sits flush. Step 5. Hold the lock against the side of the door and mark the spindle and key centers across both sides. These marks will guide your handle holes. Step 6. Drill 2 22mm holes through the side of the door for the spindle and key. Step 7. Insert the lock body into the pocket and fasten it securely. Then slide the spindle through the top hole on the side of the door. Step 8. Fit the handles over the spindle and fasten them on both sides using the provided screws. Test everything. If it feels smooth, you're done. Fort Knox locks.